Hello. Ayaw makasama ng photo. Hello everybody, good afternoon. Oh, halika samahan niyo ako kumain. You know, I am sobrang happy sa karinderya. Equivalent also to food court sa mga malls, ganyan, sa canteen, food court, karinderya. Mas happy ako doon. Kasi you get to choose anything, right? Hindi ka mag-decide na, I want Filipino food lang, ganyan. And one of the things that I am really, really happy about is World Chicken dito sa somewhere out there. Because it comes with pasta, it comes with mashed potato and their chicken. Which is what makes me happy. At saka alam mo, ang happy, luma na kasi to, but they're still alive, right? Buhay pa rin sila, namamayagpag pa rin sila. It's only 250 for chicken, and then there's also pasta. Hello. Thank you, Domika. Hi, ako. I love Hong Kong. Hoy, nabalitaan niyo ba? Na yung wife and anak ni Mike Defensor ay involved sa sa possible human trafficking, na-raid yung bar nila. Kaloka. Meron mga girls for hire. Diyos me. Na-raid siya kanina. Hi, Tess. Hi, Camelot. Hi, R.A. Raquel. Kasi nandito ako nagpapagupit ng aking mag-ama. Gabby and my husband, they're both having a haircut. Hindi ko kasi, ano kaya gagawin natin sa sa buhok ko? Papakulot kaya ako. Oh my God! Happy 16th anniversary sa Medical City, Iloilo! Hi, John! Hi, everybody there! Kilala niyo si Doc Sanang? I think Doc Sanang works in Medical City, Iloilo, if I'm not mistaken. Do you know, John, Mark, that I gave birth to both of my children in Medical City, in Pasig? Azel is from Zamboanga City. Hi! Hi, Armand. Hi, Maria Blanquita. Good afternoon, Chris Ann. Hi, Shia from Singapore. Watching from Modesto, California. Oy, ban sila. Biswa. Every time nakikita kita, hindi ko din alam kung paano i-pronounce yung name mo. Biswalan. Happy Pinyet eating, yes! I love World Chicken. It's my comfort food. Kayo, ano comfort food niyo? Sir Mike, pasok! Hi, Red Neil! Maraming salamat! Enjoy your weekend, guys. Hi, Unix! Nobel, kaloka! Kaya palang ingay-ingay. May tinatago pa dami. Hi, ako from Hong Kong. Hi, Glenn. Ang dami yun sa Hong Kong. Hi, Elisa. Hi, Cherry. O, kamusta kayo? Ibang time slot ko today, ha? Nag-live ako ng may araw. Hindi hating gabi. Nakaka-homesick. You know, my first cousin lives in the Netherlands. Actually, malapit siya sa The Hague. Kaya pag may mga rally-rally dyan sa labas ni Tatay Dig, siya represented ang Philippines doon, and one of my cousins nandun siya. Hi, Stella. Thank you. Watching from BF Homes. Happy Friday. Hi, Force. Maraming salamat, Krae. I didn't know. Bo could be cool. Bo? Thank you, Maria Blanquita. Nakatulog naman tayo. Yes, mga 6 hours. Nandun ka ba kanina sa live? Thank you, Ants. Hi, Grace. Senior na. Yung asawa ko rin senior na. My husband also got his senior citizen card late last year. Hi, Julie. Guys, okay yung bagong uwala kasi kasha siya sa cup holder sa kotse. Thank you, Mayflower. I always bring tubig. Because that's one thing I don't like to pay for, water. Madaling magbaon ng tubig, guys. Sayang ang 25 pesos or 30 pesos para bumili ng water. Hi, Jason from Isabela. Nakanood ka kaninang madaling araw. Hi, Jeffrey. Gusto ko ng maanghang. I like spicy food. Hello to Lelito from Sultan Kudarat. AI yung Amla tsaka Kuwa. In denial niya. In denial yan. You know, in life, merong 5 stages of grief. There's denial. There's bargaining na, oh my God, sana hindi totoo. Diba? Mahabang proseso yan before acceptance. No, I'm not senior. My husband is. My husband is a senior citizen. I am not. I'm 44 years old. Ang asawa ko senior. Hi, John. Present ka din. My husband. Hi, Mayang. Hi, Tara. Arnold is from Sydney, Australia. Watching si Melanie from Taiwan. You know, my husband wants to go to Taiwan. I'm 44, guys. Pero may botox yan. Kaya nyo na yung mata ko, alam nyo naman talagang night shift ako, di ba? Yung buhay ko ay night shift. But ayan o, may botox yan. Kailangan ko na magpa-refill ng botox mga 3 months from now. But, guys, walang filter yan, ha? Important ang skincare. Because when you have skincare, you don't have to buy foundation, mga ganyan. Ayan, o. Again, wag nyo na idamay yung aking eye bags. But really good skincare will give you a fairer complexion that you don't need mga foundation, di ba? Ano lang, lipstick, blush, ganyan. You really have to take care of your skin. Nako guys, may mga pinapagawa tayo sa mukha natin. And when I think I'm 50 years old, magpapa-facelift ako or something. Hi, Mary Ann. Hindi ako naniniwala, natatanda ako na ng kulubot. Hi, Shaggy. How can I go sa cowboy shop? Tashos? Roy, what's Tashos? Magmura ka... Nag-mural ka... Really? Saan yung Tashos in Cubao? Asang food court yan? Ako, saan ba ako? Sabihin ko ba sa inyo? Gusto Trinoma ako. You're watching from Oakdale. Hi, Vince. Yun na nga, Jim. Totoo naman siya. Hindi siya fake news. Hindi siya fake news. Na-raid talaga yung bar nila. Hi, Sherwin. Hi, Zen from Sydney, Australia. Watching from Milan. Hi, ako. Oh my God. So cute. Kakantahan kita. You're falling from the stars straight into your arms that I feel in love like I hope you comprehend. Thank you for the stars. Ronel is from Mindanao. Hi, love. I'm not an abogado. ICC Mike Defensor Compact. Huwag nilang sasabihin pinopolitika lang sila ha. Si Bongbong Marcos ba ang naglagay ng mga girl lalo for rent dyan sa bar mo? Sasabihin na naman pinopolitika kami, iniipit kami mga puneteng linyahan yan ha. Hi, Rick. Please age naturally. Alam mo, Zen. The struggle kasi, any normal, regular, nahulog yung chicken. Any normal, regular person, hindi nakatingin, hindi nakikita yung mukha niya more than 30 minutes a day, right? Toothbrush siya, hilamos siya, mag-makeup siya, hanggang gano'n na lang yun. I see myself all the time. Kaya, sa totoo lang, nakaka-self-conscious, sense. Kasi look, I'm what? Live sometimes 4 hours a day. And then, syempre, titingnan ko yung algo ko, the contents that I make, may clout ba ako, ganon. And ang weird, aminin ko sa inyo, I like watching myself. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Alam niyo ba yung times na lalo na pag nakainom ako, I don't really remember. Alam ko naman hindi ako magsasabi ng something that I would regret, right? There are times that I would watch the live. Hi, Junrel. Nahuli naman talaga. Nahuling walang passport. Oh. Diba? Nahuling walang passport. Oh. Ang tawag doon, nakitaan na walang passport. Jose. Naman. Hi, Kevin. We're fine. Thank you for asking. Kasalanan naman ni Bongbong yan. Wow! Monat is an ex-Duterte supporter that finally had to grow up. Welcome! Welcome sa liwanag sa dilim ko. Masarap hindi magtanggol sa sa kung ano-anong pinapakaing fake news, diba? Hi! Parati kita pina-follow sa live. Hi, Ferg! Maraming salamat. May media nung read through. Thanks, Kevin. Yan. May land grabbing. Pinupolitika na naman sila. Hi, Adrian from CDO. Thanks, Kevin. Maraming salamat. Hi, Gabriel. Dito ako. I could smell Army Navy. Favorite ko Army Navy, kaya lang mahal. Sobrang expensive. Yung tawa ko talaga. Sinong husband ko? Follow niya si Pinoy Rambler. Pinoy Rambler is my husband. Nandiyan siya sa pages. Hi, Nico. Hi, Aki. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Buboy. Will Mayor Lenny run again? Hoping against hope. Ano yung kay Yorme? Yung dun sa Banateros? Yung sinabi niya, binoto ng 31 million na yun. Hi, Peter from Danau City, Cebu. Ayun, travel daw siya at bilis-bilisan daw. Bigyan ng travel clearance niya. Grabe, no? Yan ang problema kasi pag kinukonsinte. Diba? Sana penetrate mo ang Cebu and the rest of the Visayas. Yun na nga eh. I think that's why they love to hate on lovely Granada, Zensen. Because Bisaya na hindi DDS, diba? Yes. Grabe, I'm so busog. Oh yeah, Junmar. Pareho po sila ng kaso ni Harry Roque, no? Human trafficking. Hi, Ding Tuason! Dating Duterte supporter. I love it. I love it. Hi, Ray from Hanoi. Hi, Pepito. Kumakain na naman. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. At may kasama akong kumain. You know, my brother. Sabi niya, ate, ano ang ginagawa mo? Nagla-live ka, uminom ka mag-isa. Hindi, ang dami kong kasama. Ang dami kong kakwentuhan. Kagaya ninyo, diba? So, thank you guys. I have to go na to my husband and my kid. They had a haircut. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin, sa pagsamang kumain. Thank you guys. I'll see you again later. Pa-shout out po, ma'am, Norilyn G. Hi, Norilyn G. What can I say sa wife and son and daughter ni Mike Defensor? How can you have? Well, this is all alleged, okay? But there was a raid, diba? May media doon. Ano yung pagkakakitaan ng pagbenta ng laman ng babae? Yun lang. Okay. Thank you everybody. Bye. Maraming salamat. Hi Esther from Italy. Bye. I'll see you later guys. Thank you.